Uptown Swing.
My name's Naomi. Is that thing all the way in? This is level 4.
Peter. And we did sugar push.
Yes.
It's good. So, like this, we go.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Now, this is our version of the sugar push. You don't have to do it this way, but we asked our students to do it this way to learn a new way to connect.
2 concise points that we won't fully teach, but we will remind our students of.
Feeling convicted? Okay.
First thing is keep your elbows in front of you. The way we're trying it, we don't go back. We let it squish out if it squishes at all.
And our wrists are kind of like this, actually, not straight. So we don't have the back of the fingers going. She doesn't either. If the followers do the back of the fingers, it's not the end of the world. If the leaders do, it's a bummer.
It's the end of the world.
It is the end of the world.
And then let's show our homework 8-count step.
2 more things, girl, just a little bit. I know it's free, but check it out. When I go back, I step back here, I tend to tap, she's coming forward. She gets on the pull of the triple step. She's coming forward in that moment. I turn her around. So when we do this, it's step, step, triple, go, triple step, go, triple, go, triple step. The push of the sugar push is my step on 4, not a big push. Hashtag misnomer. And now the special stuff.
Yes.
So if you get this nice feel and you're all loaded up on that side, you can twist it a little bit and try something fancy. Our fancier version. Boom, you can do that in 6 counts. Don't do it. Hey. I would say don't do that unless you've talked to us personally because you might rip a falling arm off.
That's it.
Beep.